Hey guys, are you having trouble with your Instagram? Is your network connection not working properly? Then in this step-by-step tutorial video, I'll show you how to fix your Instagram glitch that's giving you connection issues. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to get an easy solution for your account up and running again into no time. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, you have to open up the Google Play Store, and in the search bar you simply have to search for Instagram. Here it will gives you two options. One is of update and other is of open. If it shows update, you simply have to update your Instagram app, and after updating your Instagram app you simply have to go back and you have to open up the phone settings. In the phone settings you have to scroll down and you have to go to app management. In the app management you have to go to app settings, and here you have to search for Instagram. After opening the Instagram you have to go to storage and cache. Here you have to clear all the storage for your Instagram, and after clearing your Instagram storage you have to go back, and here you have to go to the option of permissions, and here you have to allow all of the permissions to Instagram, and then you have to go back and log into your Instagram again and hope so that your issue will be solved. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this tutorial of fixing your Instagram glitch. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.